Good afternoon, people. Yeah, I don't wanna. How can I put this? I don't wanna start this video as if I'm here on a purpose. I'm not here on a purpose. I'm here to document what's happening in my life. And yeah, I'm a I'm gonna use concepts. I'm gonna use theories on it. I'm gonna use ideas, perspectives. I'm not here as a fixed plane or as a straight diagonal line. No, I want to cultivate my thinking into much more broader, higher expectations, understand? So, yeah, so the idea of the day is observation and how observation can fool you. And not in a sense of what you see is always not the case. And I and I truly believe that, but I have to input the other side of the concept. Okay, let me first talk about the side I'm rooting for. I've soon realized that if you truly believe something based on how it looks, that's a wrong mentality to have. Because you're not truly looking for all aspects of the situation at hand. And also realize that I've cultivated this thinking all my life. Because I thought that if, if, you understand, those ifs were associated with my eyesight. You understand? So there was the other day I was I was walking down the street with my friend, and this, let's say, individual, and this individual dropped money on the floor, and me visually seeing the money and visually seeing the individual scrambling, me being the man I am, I tried to help him, and he did not want it to. He thought I was going to steal it, and I've soon no, I'm realizing now this is an unrelated. It's unrelated to the concept, but it's an interesting concept itself because it, it, it broadens your mentality that people judge you based on your appearance. People do that, and people judge you based on their past experiences. And that's the thing. If you try to cultivate mind that searches for both aspects of the game, both sides of the square, believe me, you will skyrocket. And for the other portion of the concept, as much as you shouldn't follow your eyes, the your eyes are your only means of truly trying to understand something. If I okay, let's say scenario then. Let's say scenario if you were to mentally pursue a woman every day you're seeing her and every day she's beautiful. And the thing is, you are assuming now because she has glasses, she's calm and collected, have never seen her angry, she's a good girl or she's a nerd. And thinking about it, what do? You go after her. And the thing is, when you go after her, and that's where you're. No, I'm not saying that going after her it's wrong. What I'm saying is that you went with the wrong mentality. You were assuming from the start. That's the thing, and that's the thing. Those assumptions are bad. But on the other side, they're the only thing that you truly can rely on. No. Not truly rely on. These are your primary sources, your reference points. This way you reference it. Understand? So yeah, I've also realized that as much as relying on your eyes is bad, but it's the first response you must acquire or process, then mentally so. You try to figure out the other aspects, understand? So yeah. So today I really wanted to talk about the observation and how eyes can deceive you, and yet they're the only thing that truly gives you information. But only if you try to accommodate all the aspects of it. No. Yeah, so yeah. And it would be a series I call it would be a series I call 30 Days New Concepts Daily. So yeah.